Welcome to multiplication lesson number 5. There are 14 multiplication lessons altogether. Today we are going to learn the squares. In these multiplication problems, the two digits are always the same. So now let's bring the camera forward and we'll take a look at these problems that I call the squares. In this problem here, 5 times 5 is 25. The two digits are the same. We call these problems the squares. The first two you already know. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 2 is 4. Now we come to a new problem. 3 times 3 is 9. You can learn this one by saying 2 times 3 is 6, plus 3 more is 9. Or you can count by threes. 3, 6, 9. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 4 is 16. You can do this one also by counting. Count by fours. 4, 8, 12, 16. 4 times 4 is 16. The next one rhymes. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 5 is 25. Say that with me. 5 times 5 is 25. This one also rhymes. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 6 is 36. Say that with me. 6 times 6 is 36. Seven times 7 is 49. When you see those two sevens, think football. A touchdown plus an extra point equals 7 points. And when you see these two sevens, 7 times 7 equals 49, think of the football team. San Francisco 49ers. 7 times 7 is 49. You can also think of the California Gold Rush, because those miners were called 49ers. 7 times 7 is 49. 8 times 8 is 64. You may have noticed that we use this problem, 8 times 8 equals 64, as a tag to help you reach these multiplication lessons. 9 times 9 is 81. We learned this one when we did the 9 times tables. 9th finger down. 8 fingers to the left, 1 finger to the right. 8, 1. 9 times 9 is 81. Now let's do some problems where I do not show you what the answers are. Try to give these answers before I do. 6 times 6 is 36. 3 times 3. Count by threes if you need to. 3 times 3 is 9. 7 times 7. Think football. San Francisco. 49ers. 7 times 7 is 49. 4 times 4 is 16. Count it if you need to. 4, 8, 12, 16. This one rhymes. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 5 is 25. 9 times 9. Ninth finger down. 9 times 9 is 81. 4 times 4. We just did that one up here. 4 times 4 is 16. And lastly, 8 times 8 is 64. If you were able to say all of the answers before I did, you are ready to go on to lesson number 6. Otherwise, you should be doing this lesson again.